Hey, Tyler.
Hey,
Can you tell us more about AerieHub's AutoCAD drafting services?
sure. Well, it all starts with accuracy and a good set of tools. We begin drafting plans using reference drawings provided by the client. When those references aren't sufficient, we collect accurate on-site measurements, because in drafting, every inch counts. Using AutoCAD, we bring your facility to life digitally with that same level of accuracy. We can create a wide range of plans, from basic floor plans to emergency evacuation maps, campus maps, and life safety plans. While we're not a life safety firm, we collaborate directly with your safety experts to create those plans. We can also produce specialty plans, like control cube layouts, utility system maps, square footage breakdowns, and more. With detailed, up-to-date drawings, you'll have a deeper understanding of your space, its layout, its flow, and its potential. Plus, all of your plans are securely stored in AerieHub, so you can access them anytime, anywhere, from any smart device. Whether you're on-site, in the field, or at home, your facility's information is always just a tap away. Having fast access to accurate plans helps you make informed decisions, maximize space efficiency, and improve operational planning, giving you the confidence to manage your facility with clarity and control.